Hello guys, Diyos ko, ang ganda-ganda ko kaya, ha? Tignan niyo yung papaya guys, yan. Yung papaya sa supermarket is round, ganon. Dito naman is long, long time ago. Ito guys, do you know this? This is cassava. Yeah, cassava. You know, one of the girls, one of the girl, she have a secret. Alam mo, nalunok ang ang patsuka. Yeah, sa sobrang hindi ko nga alam. I don't know what happened. Pero yun nga ang nangyari guys, nakalunok. Nilunok mo lahat. Ang kalunok, lunukan mo. Ayun guys, ito naman guys, ayun, nakita niyo yun guys, ayun. It's a banana. Yes. Sa totoo lang guys is I'm free now. Yeah, I'm free from killer person. Yeah, and you know, they cannot kill a crocodile. No. Honest is I don't know how to kill crocodiles, but I hope that they can kill all of the crocodiles in Denmark farm. Yeah, there's there's a lot of crocodiles in Denmark farm. Diyos ko pro! Ayun, sa mga Diyos ko pro! Ayun, say hi sa inyo. Mahirap talaga patayin ang ang kangaroo. Yeah, kangaroo. Kangaroo is alive. Yes, and you know, I'm running in the garden now. Yes, kangaroo is free. There's no killer here. You know, they cannot come to my garden because if they come here to my garden and I catch to my, you know, I will send to the prison. You know, you cannot go to others garden and make trouble. Yeah, do you understand that? No guys, honest is nag-iinang lang ako guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys, ito guys, tingnan nyo ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, walang singkamas, walang talong, halaman nga ito. Labas yung aking ano yan guys, the secret of me. Okay, by the way guys, if you want to see jackfruit is look like this. You know, you need to introduce guys the jackfruit. Jackfruit, how are you today? Baho, putay. Ha? Oh my God, the jackfruit is, you know, answering me, like answering machine. Yeah, and this is the second jackfruits. Hello jackfruits, are you there? Are you in? Yeah! Ayun, just ko pa! My jackfruit! Ito naman guys, why it look like that? There's worms inside. Yeah, and normally you need to pack with, you know, sack of rice. So sacks of rice pala, not sack. Oh my God, you know, I have a dictation. You know, I'm so sorry that someone sack. Yeah, that I didn't do it. Ew. Oh, I hate varicose. Ito guys, tingnan mo guys. Pag huminog to guys, ang bango-bango. Yeah, it's oh my God, I thought it's smiling, you know. This one, I'm waiting that is gonna be, you know, ready to eat. Yes, this is jackfruit. Yeah, jackfruit in life. Yeah, jackfruit is real. Nandito na si Rogelia sa aking garden kung saan malaya akong gumala-gala at mag-YouTube at mag-relax. Alam mo guys, sa totoo lang guys, boring naman talaga ang mundo doon. Mas maganda ang mundo sa Pilipinas. Magba-vlog ka lang, vlog. Ay, basura nga pala to guys, never mind, you know, someone may kasi, okay? Yeah, I'm so sorry. Nasira ang aking vlog, but you know, it's not me who making, you know, banderitas. You know, banderitas is like, you know, you can hang like a decoration because there's a party, party of kadugyot-dugyutan na if I'm not home, yeah, there's someone hang something, yeah. And you know, I need to remove and burn it. Alam mo guys, sa totoo lang, ang sarap. Ito guys, nakita nyo ba yan? Yan. That's avocado tree. Yeah, that's avocado. Okay? Alam mo guys, mas masarap mamuhay sa Pilipinas. Yeah. Walang sakit ng ulo, hindi malamig, enjoy lang ang buhay, walang asungot, walang killer na nasunod-sunod. You need to be nice, you need to be nice. We need to try if you're nice to someone. Shut up. You cannot force me to do something. Do that, do this, do that, do this. In the beginning, I need to understand. Yes, it's about language. But lately, it's not about language. It's how you destroyed and destroyed and destroyed and destroyed. Mga racist lang talaga kayo. By the way guys, kahit na mabaho-baho dito, alaga to ng aking kapatid. Tingnan mo it's the biggest, you know. Hello, pig. You're so big. Why you're so big today? Because I eat too much, you know. I love it. Yeah. Ayun nga guys, ang sabi ng pig. Bakit na? Laki Yun nga guys, ganun nga guys ang buhay sa probinsya. Kailangan mong dumiskarte yung aking brother kasi dahil sa wala kaming pambayad sa aming ayun nga guys, kukunin ko muna yung ko para makash ko yung aking kotse kasi yung brother ko ay he taking care of pig to sale and then pay monthly of my my sarakyan. You know what is sarakyan? Broom broom, yeah. Yes, yun nga yung guys. By the way guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. How are you? How are you pala mamaya. Later na lang, okay? How are you? Dapat ang una. And then, see you later. Yung daisy ko guys, nawala lang ako ay tinanggal na dito. Alam mo, ang nagbubunot ng daisy ko, gusto ko na siyang sakalin. Yeah. Honest is, I want to sakal her. Yeah. Yung daisy ko dito ay nawala. Tingnan mo guys, kapag ako ay wala, Diyos ko, tingnan mo yung daisy ko, Tingnan mo. Yan na lang ang daisy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, ang dyan ay wala na. Kaya yun guys, ayusin ko ang aking garden. Yeah. Yun lang, bye-bye.